What if I told you the biggest DRG problem in your hospital may already exist today? Hindi next year, not when DRG is fully implemented. Today. And the scary part, most hospital leaders don't even know where to look. When people hear DRG, they immediately think, coding ito. Others, billing lang. Some think it's a PhilHealth issue. But after talking to hospitals across the country, eto po napansin ko. Hospitals that are worried about coding are looking at the wrong problem. Because DRG doesn't create weakness. It exposes the weakness. And that's a huge difference. Imagine po ito. You turn a very bright light inside a room. Yung ilaw didn't create the dust. The dust was already there. So now you can simply see the dust. Ganun ho yung DRG. So before we talk about software, okay, before coding, before claims, okay, I have 3 questions sa inyo. Number 1, let us say we gather all your officers tomorrow and I will ask them, ano yung role ninyo sa DRG implementation? Can they answer? Or they will give excuses? 2 ho. Okay? Let's call the doctors and ask them what documentation will influence DRG coding. Okay? How many can answer confidently? And the 3rd question, let's call management. Is there a written transition plan? Meron ba kayo? Because here is the problem. Many hospitals are waiting for implementation before they start to prepare. Pero kapag nagsimula na ang implementation, preparation is over. Implementation na yun eh. At doon po, nagsisimula ang pressure. Your doctors will be frustrated. Your department will start blaming each other. Everyone becomes busy fixing the problems that could have been prevented months earlier. Now, and that's why I believe the biggest DRG risk is not technical. Organizational ho ang issue. Now, here is the mistake. Many hospitals are asking, what should we do when DRG arrives? Yun ho yung maling tanong. The better question is, what should we fix before DRG arrives? Because hospitals don't rise to the level of their plans, they fall to the level of their systems. If documentation is weak today, DRG will expose that. If communication between department is weak today, DRG will expose it. If leadership alignment is weak today, makikita yan sa DRG. That's why the smartest hospital are not waiting. They are asking, what are the gaps? Ano yung risk? Which department needs help? Ano ang i-prioritize? And that's exactly why ito po, I created the DRG Leadership Resource Pack. Designed for hospital leaders, department heads, and transition team. So ito po, you'll find 3 practical tools to help you start DRG readiness discussion ASAP. So may link ko sa baba. You download it, share it with your management team, with your middle managers, and start the conversation habang may time pa. Because the hospitals that prepare early will have options. Hospitals that prepare late will only have excuses. Friends, this is Coach Doc Ben. See you soon.